Katarina Lecher. I specialize in product management, project management, and data science and AI. I've been leading product teams and BI data science teams for 10 years now, something over 10 years. And I specifically really like building complex products, which means that they have this data at the core, and we're trying to bring out insights. As a matter of fact, I'm also very passionate about learning, and I'm a forever student. I'm currently on my third master's, and I really enjoy learning new things. So when we think about usability, I think we first need to talk about the broader concept, which is user experience. So in product management, what we often talk about is that product or building product is at the intersect of three areas, and now we have a fourth one. So it's technology, it's user experience, and it's business. And now we are starting to bring in data as the fourth pillar. And so here, in this sense, user experience is one of these, right? And for me, and I think this is like a generally accepted concept, is that great user experience means that I as a user am able to do my job, but in a way that is straightforward, that is effective. And then there is this other aspect to it, which is that I need to have positive emotions out of it. So the emotions that come out of this whole process are on this positive spectrum. And so usability really is that second part of this definition, which focuses on these positive emotions. What I really like to highlight, though, from my product experience is this first part, where the information flow needs to be straightforward. I need to know what's coming next, the action needs to be there, and this is still something that we are not getting right. So I think focusing on that is the first step. Focusing on the positive emotions is the second. They are both equally important. They can't live without each other, but I just really like to highlight this first one because I think it's still missing in a lot of products. I love this question. I think thinking about my career, even, I don't know, 10 years ago when I started, it has progressed so much already. So in terms of usability of the products, we see that in, I don't know, ways how you can personalize nowadays, how you can do recommendations, how really all the products are way more user-friendly, or way more, are helping us way more to achieve our goals. So I think we do see that in a lot of products already. And now what the large language models and the new technologies are bringing, I think what we will see is improvements in the toolings that we use. So doing user research, doing user experience design will be much easier thanks to these tools. And so I think that's one way where we will see it. And I think overall in how we manage the insights, how we manage the knowledge that we need to build up to build products, this is going to improve. So there are some very exciting technologies that are coming up. So one of them is, for example, multimodal models, which combine not just text but also video, audio. So these are all things that we use in user experience. So they together will bring us way better insights that we have now. And another technology that I really like and that is emerging in this context are knowledge graphs and a way of how we work with information, how we put relationships between different types of information. So I think that these two technologies will change a lot in user experience. So, as I already mentioned, I am on my third master's now myself, so I really like to learn, and I feel that at this point in life I already have a lot to give. So I would really like to help other people how also I was helped in all the pursuits or all the learnings that I wanted to acquire, and I wanted to starting to give back to students, and mainly show them really how things are practically done, because I think that's what is very essential for the education nowadays. Yes, so where to start? I think one of the most important tips that you can get is be open-minded, be open, be curious, learn, never stop learning, never stop challenging your beliefs. The second thing is be pragmatic. So at a certain point we need to come to some conclusions, and I think that this pragmatism is very, very, very important for UX people to bring information that is actionable, from where we can move on. Another thing that I think I would mention is work in a team. So you will work in cross-functional teams, and in these teams there will be different disciplines. Learn about what they do, get a common ground, understand the intersects, because it will just help you so much.